Howdy, everyone. This is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, so we just finished going through the living room area and the kitchen of this beautiful model at the Casey at Frisco Station. This is in Frisco, Texas. And now we're going to go into the bedroom. The bedroom's so fun. This is a good size. That's absolutely a king bed, no problem. It's fitting in there with some nightstands. And then you've got a really attractive area, big area to put that dresser. And look at these windows. This is huge. This is going like 12 feet, 11, 12 feet tall easily. A lot of windows and a lot of space. It just feels very grand in here, you know? It just feels awesome. Here is the closet. The closet is separated. It's a nice walk-in closet. Man, it's got a lot of shelf space. So it feels really good in here. I also like, there's no carpet, by the way. It's all just flooring, really nice flooring, wood style flooring. We walk into here and then, man, we're seeing a really attractive bathroom. It's got a dual vanity. It's got more of the quartz there. And then again, this flooring is so good. It's the same flooring throughout and it feels so light and bright. I just love the feel. Now, a big additional plus is this big big shower. Look at this. This is high-rise quality style shower. This is like a little mini room. This is amazing. I mean, look at this space that's in here. This is stunning to see this kind of space. Wow, I'm so impressed with this. This is amazing. So you can have a great shower experience with a bench in there. That is awesome. Hey, so now we're going to go back in here and we're going to see a bit more of the kitchen just so you can see it and be refreshed, a refreshing view on this. And I hope you've enjoyed this tour. This is in my opinion, a very good value. It's a very recently done place where you can really enjoy a beautiful modern apartment, but also it's a great walkable apartment where you can walk to the Star. You can walk to all the shops and the restaurants and the nightlife of the Star and the Dallas Cowboys when they're practicing. So it's a fantastic area. I really love this residence. If you want to get more information about the Star or about this residence or about high rises in the area, hey, send me a text. I can't wait to hear from you. That's my number below. Send me a text. We'll chat. I'll get you the information you need right away. And it's always 100% free service. Can't wait to hear from you. And we're going to move on. We got one or two more things to video here at the KC.